The journey began underground. Before the lights, cameras, and conventions. An unlikely assembly of heroes. Forging friendships from pages and pixels. United by a common desire to shape their own worlds. Unleashing their imaginations. Harnessing their nightmares. All in service of the epic adventure. This is your story. This is our story. Soldiers, scientists, adventurers, oddities. 25 years later, the Resistance has become a revolution. Each step on our quest brought us closer to this moment. Right here, right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, oh my God! Fireman! The world champion! They are going for the core!
It's going down! It's gonna be GGG!
Who is that guy? He is one tough badass.
Well played, well played, well played, well played.
It has been 17 years since Blizzard opened the door to a new adventure.
Let's build the next 25 years together.